Hey Primary 3 Math Project, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 3 of your assessment paper number 4. So let's take a look at the question immediately. Okay, it says Kelvin spent $460 on a radio. Okay, he bought a radio, and then he paid $248 more for a camera than the radio. That means he paid $460 and he paid another $248 for the radio. Okay, so the amount he had left in his wallet was $45 more than the amount he had spent. How much money did he have at first? So again, I want you to imagine this. Imagine, and we have to draw this, okay? So this is Kelvin. Okay, where's Kelvin? Kelvin is over here. Kelvin has spiky hair, and he's always happy. So this is Kelvin. Okay, and Kelvin spent, how much did he spend again? Wrong spelling, one I. Kelvin spent, let's take a look again, $460 on a radio. So let's draw a radio over here. Okay, how do we draw a radio? Bam, 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 boom. Okay, so that's a radio, and it's actually $460. Okay, and then he spent how much on a camera? Let's take a look. He spent $248 more for a camera. So the camera, which is smaller, is actually more expensive. Interesting. So this is a camera. Shing, shing, shing. Okay, and it cost $248 more than this. So what does that mean? That means $248 plus the amount here, which is 460, and that will give you the answer of 8017 4567 $708 for the camera. Wow, that's a very expensive camera. Okay, so that's what we found out already. Now the next thing is they say that the amount he had left in his wallet was $45 more than the amount he had spent. Oh, $45 more than the amount he had spent. So how much did he spend so far? Let's take a look. He spent $460 and he spent $708. So how much did he spend in total? So total spending equals to 460 plus 708. And that answer is 1168. 1168. Let me check just to be sure. 460 plus 708. 1168. I am right. Yes, finally. Okay, so that is 1168. That means this total amount is 1168. And what did they say? They said that the amount he had left was $45 more than the amount he had spent. So this is the amount that he has spent, and the amount he has left was $45 more. Sorry, the amount he had spent. The amount he had left in his wallet, is $45 more. When you hear more, you plus than the amount he had spent. Therefore, the answer is plus 45, and then you get 1213. And that is the answer. So what are the steps? The step is, of course, first you have to find out the cost of the camera, which is 460 plus 248, which gives you 708, and then you continue with this. Total amount is 460 plus 708, 1168, and how much he had left was 45 plus 1168, 1213. Okay, so the question was, how much did he have at first? How much did he have at first? This is the amount he had left. This is the amount he had spent. So therefore, at the start, he actually had 1213 plus $1,168, which he already spent, and that will give you the answer of 2381. Wow, he had a lot of money with him at the start. So the final answer is he had $2,381 at the start. Wow, if you got this question right, you know what? I'm going to give you a big high five because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Very, very good job. And remember, as you can see in this example, there's a lot of steps required. and this actually is a very big result, and it will give you a big score. And like they said, like I told you before, good things take time. So take your time, okay? And also understand that if you are failing right now, understand that it is a process, and this process will take time in order for you to actually succeed. So with that, is Coach Saiful signing off, telling you to be patient, and remember that it takes time because you are a math prodigy. Good job.